what we expected from Vechain price target, my brother. What's the expectation price target? And absolutely, my friend, we will expect it one of the unique target, and I hope, my brothers, they will hit it easily now. So let's get started a brand video, my friend. In this video, I will predicate this coin email, I will do a technical analysis, and also at the end I will share opinion. So kindly, my friend, you need to watch this video completely to understand better. This time, my brother, you can see here the chain occurred last 1 hour 0.36% loss, and last 1 day you can see plus 5.74% profit. Last 7 days 41.33% profit. And this time, my brother, the market rank as 22, and market cap you can see 5 million, and 24 hour 8 million, and you can see circulating supply 6.62 billion, and you can see, my friend, the max supply is 86 billion. So my the distribution is going to be 75%, and I hope this Vechain will give you a profit in upcoming days, but just in only if you hold it now. So hold it, wait for the end of this month. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a very good profit, and they will make you millionaire now. So Vechain holder, one thing I want to tell you to please, in upcoming time there is a lot of chances so they will move upward, but just and only you need, my brothers, to just and only participate. If you have any plan to invest more, so invest now. I hope in upcoming time the price will move upward, so why you are stopped and not selling? So kindly, that's just and only depend on you. Please research personally, but I just advise you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.